With the evolution of application deployments from traditional hosting on servers, such as on Amazon EC2 instances, to microservice-driven architecture like with containers or serverless functions, security at the network level remains a key constant. Deploying effective network security that fits a business use case falls to the customer in AWS's shared responsibility model, but this can be achieved by utilizing AWS-provided security controls like AWS Web Application Firewall, security groups, or AWS Network Firewall, and then extending that functionality with third-party appliances by either deploying a separate standalone offering or integrating into the aforementioned services. Now, appending a third-party network security appliance to a gateway load balancer or in front of an internet gateway has unique benefits when compared to architecting security at other points in a deployment. For Amazon EC2 instances or Amazon EKS clusters, enterprises may elect to not dedicate compute power to a host-based security agent, nor network traffic analysis to a given ENI. To prevent constant granular maintenance, then we can look a step higher to the VPC. At the VPC level, however, certain deployments can architect a high number of moving parts, appliances, load balancers, etc., on a per VPC basis. So, solutions that minimize unique dependencies and network re-architecting will have an easier time protecting organizations as they continue to streamline and evolve cloud projects. As an extension of firewall controls, implementing an intrusion prevention system, or IPS, allows for deeper inspection of network payloads to ensure traffic does not subvert firewall controls or anomalously hitch a ride on trusted network protocols. IPS deployments can use strong threat intelligence, along with supplementary features like geolocation and domain filtering to secure networks in an evolving landscape. With Trend Micro's Network Security Modernization Workshop, strengthen your VPC using Cloud One Network Security, a cloud-native network appliance. Offered as an Amazon Machine Image or AMI, network security appliances can slot into existing network structures to meet your unique inspection needs, from edge protection of web servers in a single VPC to centralized monitoring of inbound, outbound, and lateral traffic across multiple VPCs. In a controlled environment, participants will have a chance to generate network events that they can view AWS natively in CloudWatch and build their own policies in network security, with controls including intrusion prevention filtering, strengthened by Trend Micro research teams like the Zero Day Initiative, quote unquote, the world's largest vendor-agnostic bug bounty program. This workshop is designed to be explored at your own pace, with minimal prerequisites and self-guided procedures to get you testing the architecture as soon as possible. So, take advantage of this AWS and Trend Micro Modernization Workshop, as well as others like it, to enable and develop continuous cloud security that both moves and evolves at the speed of business.